Good morning. Good morning to you guys. Today is October the 16th, 2025. And I got to show you guys something. Look at. Does anyone know what this is? What it was? But is no more? This is a mimosa tree. Yes. I don't know, guys. I don't know what happened to the little seedling. Her got sick or something. You know, I don't know. But we don't care anymore. We love our plants and our trees and things that we do, but if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Because you know what we do? Begin again. So, look at that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is roots. Roots, baby. 2 seeds have actually germinated inside the water. I've had these seeds in there for about 5 days. When I recognized that this other one was not doing any good, we decided to step up our game and try to germinate 3 seeds, that is. So that is what we're doing. And I'm just going to pull one out, if I can, without tearing it up. Let's see. Careful, Felicia. I want to show you guys up close. Oh my goodness. I done popped it out the sleeve. It's coat. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. I know, I just pour the water in here. Because I'm planting today. Look at that. Is a very nice root, okay? Look at. So I am going to plant these in some very loose soil. I think this is the problem. Looks very like compacted, like it can't move around. So yeah. But there you guys go. Okay, bye. Peace.